Hi, welcome back to Girls with Wisdom. My name is Karina, and today we are going to be coding in Python for how to apply statistics with mean, standard deviation, mode, and all of that sort. So, the first thing you're going to be needing to do is have a Python compiler. Either you can download Anaconda, which is for free, and launch Spyder, Spyder, or you can go on to Google and just search online free Python compilers. I preferably recommend to use a downloaded one because all of your code will be saved forever on your computer, as well as you're able to import things you're going to need to do. Sometimes you can import into online compilers, however, others sometimes don't allow you. So, the first thing we're going to be doing is for statistics, write import pandas as PD. That's going to act as an abbreviation for PD, and as well write import statistics. The next thing we're going to need to do is write data1 equals, and then brackets, whatever values you desire. So I'm going to do I'm going to do 8 values. So 4, 6, 10, 14, 28, 40, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 45, and 50. So that's 8 values, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And now we're going to write data1 underscore mean equals statistics dot mean parentheses data1. So it's important to write data1 at the end of most of your lines so it can refer back to that data1, which is our value up there. So we're going to write a print statement. Print parentheses quote mean is colon end your quotes comma data1 underscore mean. So I'm just going to copy that line and just send it again. Mean is colon. However, now we're going to write after colon a percentage sign dot 2f end quotes percentage, take out the comma, and write in parentheses data1 underscore mean, and end it parentheses again. So I'm just going to copy this line and just do it for 3, 4, 5, and 6. So we're going to change this. I just make sure I wrote it all right. So print parentheses quote mean is colon end quote comma data1 underscore mean. Print mean is space colon parentheses percentage 0.2f 0.3f 0.4f 0.5f 0.6f percentage parentheses data1 underscore mean. Okay, perfect. So the next thing we're doing is incorporating our other values, so our other ways to do it. So median, mode, variance, standard deviation. So data1 underscore median equals statistics dot median parentheses data1, giving it back to that data table. Oops. So then we're going to write a print statement for this median, and write median is colon unquote comma data1 underscore mean, and write data1 underscore mode equals statistics dot mode parentheses data1, and then write a print statement for that line, and write print parentheses quote mode is colon end quote data1 underscore mode. Now we're going to write data1 underscore stdev, standing for standard deviation, and write parentheses quote. Nope, I'm actually going to write the statistics line, right? So equals statistics dot mode parentheses data1. and write a print statement. Standard deviation is colon quote. We have an error, so we have to go back and fix that. Data 1 underscore stdev. So we have data 1 underscore stdev. Oh, I got saved. Equals statistics dot mode data 1. Yeah, that fixed itself. So now after we have a print statement done, we're gonna write data 1 underscore variance equals statistics dot variance. This is data 1. And then write a final print statement for that line and write quote variance is colon quote comma data 1 underscore variance. And now we should be able to run. Might be dealing with our values. Let me just reread everything. Might be values. Just making them smaller. Okay, yeah, I think our numbers, they were too large. So now in our console, we have the mean, we have the median, we have the mode, the standard deviation, and the variance. So let me show you, at least you have to understand what all of these mean. So the definition for mean is the average of all of the data sets. So 4 plus 6 plus 10 plus 11 plus 11 plus 14 plus 8 plus 0 divided all by how many there are, which is 8, and the mean is 8. So then for the median is the middle number. So if you put all of the numbers in ascending order, so 0, 4, 6, 8, 10, 11, 11, 14, and you are canceling them out from the first and the last consecutively, the number in the middle is the median, and the mode is the most frequent. So we have 2 11, so the mode should be 11, which it is right here. So now standard deviation versus variance. So standard deviation is equal to the square root of the variance, and the variance is equal to standard deviation squared. So just the difference in the formula is that variance doesn't have a square root, while standard deviation does. And there you have it. That is how you apply statistics when coding in Python for basic calculations when it comes to mathematics. If you have any questions, please feel free to email us at girlswithwisdom@gmail.com, follow us on Instagram and DM us with any questions at GirlsWithWisdom, or go onto our site. I hope this was helpful, and please subscribe. Thank you.